Ding. Recording has started. I'll put it here. And my RS2 is working fine, and I almost learned everything learned how to use it. But guess what? RS3 DJI stabilizer is out. Come on. But today we're gonna talk about this. Let's go down. So down means down. That's this. Yeah. See, that's the battery. It's very good battery. Doesn't have a chip, and that's the reason I bought it, right? It's a Gens Ace or Tattoo company. Very, very good quality. I removed this thing here. It was like here. Just to see on both sides, right? One here, just to see is there any damage to the battery, because see, it's perfectly pristine. It's nice battery, 5000 milliamp hour, and I bought it in order to do the battery for my electric bike. 3 batteries, and then I have a trouble. I don't know what happened. Still not ready. Where's my... yeah. I wanted to show you fairly quick videos. I know some of you, when you're watching my videos, probably will say my videos are really too long. And they are, because I know how to edit. I learned a little bit more about that, but it's kind of hard for me to... I think it's always something important in this, and who likes to watch it, it's gonna be watching it. Who doesn't, it's not gonna be watching. That's the thing, right? So look at this. Long story short, I put 3 of these batteries. I'm having it right now, right there. Yeah, it's there. See, all 3 of them. This, and that's a $189, and as you can see, right? Canadian. It's a pricey battery. It's very good, but it's pricey. And this is the new one I bought, 724 grams. Like everything else, I don't know why this one is a little bit heavier. They bought in the same store, 720, 720, 724. It's not much, but I'm just accurate, right? But that's a replacement for this one. I went to the store and bought another one because I figured out they're gonna help me. And guess what? They were so good. They did help me. Look at this. After so many negotiations with them, not many, actually, I sent a couple of pictures and... Hi Grace, this is Ivan. And this is a receipt. This is a short video which shows the receipt of the batteries. I purchased 3 of them altogether. And that's the name of the store and everything, right? And this is I opened the shrink thing around the battery, and this is the barcode of the battery, right? This is the barcode. Okay, and that's the battery itself. That's also the battery connecting to the checker, smart checker, and as you can see, smart checker doesn't show the 6th cell. It's decided to be dead for no reason. I didn't discharge it. I didn't discharge it lower than 3.5, and I'm just gonna show you now which one is not working well. This is like showing nothing, right? Actually shows a little bit of power because of this connector, but basically this is 0 and this is 3.6, and everything else is good. All other batteries are 3.69, 3.7, but this one is 0. So that's a short clip which explains the whole situation. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, Thanks, and as I said, I'm gonna continue to buy your product if you help me. Thanks, and bye. Problem is, move that and go back, this other side. Yeah, I wanted to tell that story. I bought this in Action Hobby, and I realized I didn't do anything with the batteries. I didn't discharge it 3.5 maybe volt, maybe 3 volt, but that's under load. When you stop, it's 3.5 again, so that doesn't count. It's still 3 volt. And after having the test, first time use, I admit I didn't charge them fully because they were half charged, and I was using them, but that shouldn't be a problem, right? All 3 of 6 cells, 3 packs batteries, and all of them, they were working fine except the one, this one here, just decided to not, and I'm going to show you what happened. She just decided not to be healthy anymore. I bought these specific batteries because it doesn't have a chip, and you have an easy access. You remove the shrink thing around, and then you have access to the all necessary information, right? And see, there is no 6 cell. 6 cell just simple died. I don't know what's the reason, what happened. I sent them, see, I packed them same day, everything was nice, everything was fine, and that's the bar code, whatever, Q bar, how they call it, Q code. And I had to buy another one because I was figuring out, even if they don't help me, like everything looks okay with the battery. Look here, even has like this is aluminum and this is aluminum, and that's just a sponge. So it's extra protection for the battery. They're really good. I love the batteries. And after this thing, when they said they're gonna replace the battery to me, definitely I'm gonna say everything good about them. But what I wanted to show you this, because I already showed video, and I'm gonna post it again, like this. Look at this. This is seen, right? Actually, I'm gonna do it normally like this, so everybody can see it for sure. Look at this thing. So, measuring. Cell number 1, 369, right? And then this one is, of course, minus, because it's plus, minus, but I'm just gonna, because it's easier to see, I'm gonna go like this. And see, every single one is 369. Even this one, right? That's number 5. But when you go to number 6, it's just nothing. 0, 1, 0, 2. And I was thinking, like, what the heck, what's going on? Like, really? 369, 369, minus 369, so I have to go like this. And I'm working upside down. But you get the point, right? And everything works good except the last one. The last one just didn't want to show any. And I tried to fix it by charging it without cell balancing, with cell balancing, but nothing, see? Nothing. And that's the document, right? I tried to charge it like this and like that, and with the cell balancer, without cell balancer, I really tried everything, but guess what? Nothing really helped. Nothing really helped, and now they say they're gonna replace it. I'm perfectly fine with that. See, I didn't do anything wrong with it. I don't feel bad about it. I just opened this to see how can I fix it, and if I cannot fix it, eventually I would take, because this cell is, I would take it off, like I would solder it out and take it apart, right? And just continue to use 5 of these. Or if I have any trouble with this, because they're the same capacity, same brand, the same manufacturer, I would just use it, or just use it, continue to use it as a as a 5-cell. See, I nicely cut it over there, and there is a blue thing like this over there, and that's it. That's basically the same battery. See, there. And I'm just happy they wanted to help me, and that's amazing. That's amazing. Amazing. I'm just gonna continue to, and I want to say everything good about this company. Oops, just this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it back minus the, of course, minus this thing, because because I did remove it. Right. They're not gonna probably need that. They just need this code. So I'm gonna I'll leave it like this for them. They can reuse it. They can fix it. Whatever. But I would fix it if they didn't want to help me. But they did, and I'm very happy because of that. I'm very, very happy. And that's how many times I did say that I'm happy. I'm just crazy, and you know that by the time if you watched my 780 videos which I posted. I have almost 800 videos posted since like last 2 years, and I have only like 1,500 subscribers. That really shows that I'm not making really almost any money in YouTube, but because basically I just love doing it. I love video recording, and I love flying, and I love all the good stuff. I think I want to be positive and everything. So thanks for watching. This is not the end of the video. I'm gonna post a video original which I posted privately because I wanted to show them. I send them video with everything without explanation, too much like this, and pictures. And after that they said, yeah, we contacted Action Hobby, and actually, yeah, I want to show you that that video too. Not video, but just see, that's one of the video of the messages I sent them, and they sent back to me. And the more important one is I'm gonna cut this out because it's taking too long for me to find the video. I really want to find the video. They couldn't open the video. I don't know why, because I sent it privately probably, and I don't know why. Then I publicly posted the video so they could open the video, but they already decided to send me. I cannot find it here. You know what? I know the reason why, because I got it on the computer laptop. I'm not lazy. I'm gonna bring it. I'm very loyal, right? I'm a very loyal guy. If I find something which I really like Samsung stuff, I love Samsung stuff. I have electric car. It's Hyundai Kona Electric 2019, their first electric car, and I love it. If I have it for 2.5 years, if I have it for another 5.5, 8 years is a warranty, I'm willing to buy another, right? Another one too, because I just like it. I love it. is the other. See, you don't see it very well. Maybe put it down. Yeah, that seems to be better. Or maybe up. Or maybe up. Yeah, that seems to be better, working better. So a bit up because of the window reflection, right? Maybe this way. No, maybe this way. No, it's still window reflection. I'm gonna put it like this. Now, then it's gonna be better. So let's try it now. Yeah, it's a little bit better now. Yeah, this is the first. Today I got that one, and new video, la 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 la. See, that's the video they sent me last night, basically, without, when they said that they're not ready, or they cannot, just a second, they cannot open the, I don't know for what reason they couldn't open the video I sent, because it was private, I guess, and now I send it, and they even said that besides we have contacted Action Hobby and they agreed to place the new one battery to you. Kindly contact with Action Hobby and provide below images to us. Thank you. That's amazing. You know what? I'm really happy because I just love stuff which works, and if they don't work, people stand behind the word, because if they don't stand behind the word, what's the point? What's the what's the deal? Why are we doing that? Well, what's the life? What's the point of life? Love and life and being, if you're constantly lying and cheating on people. And I just refuse to believe that. Even if they didn't send me, I still went over there. I didn't know that what the outcome will be. I bought another battery, same, because I wanted to finish this project, and I truly believe it's something wrong with the chemical of the battery. Every maybe 100 battery, every 50 batteries, depending on the quality, it has some hidden problem, and you cannot find it. Even Mercedes-Benz and other cars, like very high quality, made in Switzerland stuff, not just made in China. Made in China, I have two DJI drones. I have a RS Ronin S2 or stabilizer. They work perfectly fine. So it's not because it's Chinese or the Philippine or India or whatever other country. I come from Croatia, an immigrant country basically. After the war, a lot of people escaped, and I'm coming back and everything. But I appreciate honesty. If you don't have honesty, so what's the deal about it? What's really the deal? You can get, by lying, you get a little gain, but then what? Nothing. Okay, that's it. For now, I'm gonna post the other video, and then when I got battery, I record this battery because I will have to bring it back, right? So I cannot use it, but I cannot have everything. I'm gonna bring it back to store, and they're gonna order, or maybe they were sent. These guys, whatever, Gens Ace, I don't know, but it's gonna be settled, and that's it. That's it for now. I'm gonna take this thing to finish the video. Hello and welcome to my channel, part 2 actually, third video, about this bad boy battery, which decided, not this particular, that's a different thing here, but this one is a brand new one. I got it from the guys Gens Ace, And then I decided, as a token of appreciation, I decided to buy a brand new one additionally because they were so good to me. And now we're gonna open them to see how does it look originally inside. Just a second. So take this guy, it's a brand new box. That's how I got it yesterday. I didn't record yesterday, but that's how I got it from the guys. Actually, I'm gonna open this because this is very sharp. I'm gonna open this both times and then put this away. Just wanna show that it's brand new thing. Of course, this is I bought it brand new. But this one I got it. So this one I got it, and the guy opened it in front of my eyes and just put my old one in one of these guys here. Grab this. That's original. And he just put my old one there in the box and shipped it to the manufacturer. And now I'm opening all of them. It says don't pull for reason, right? It says don't pull for these because people are pulling and that's sensitive. Anyway, this is the brand new guys, 3 of them. And now we're gonna see how they are looking. Check them, all of them. Good. 3.8, 22.8, 8, 32, 1, and the second one. 33%, 2284, 3838, all 6 of them working, and the third one. So this is original video. 2289, 38, 6 cells and working, and that's important. And they're gonna get the labels right now, immediate labels like this. That way we know what is going on with this. Actually, I cut open this a little bit here, very gently, and this one here. Oh, that's one I got, but it doesn't matter. They all brand new. Okay, put this away and put this sharp thing around away again. We don't wanna, in the heat of the moment, do anything what is not very clever. With other words, to damage my beautiful batteries. There you go. We're gonna remove this thing later. But anyway, and then we're gonna measure them. By measuring, I always forget, I love to do it. By measuring, I mean weighing them. Weighing them just for the records and for the date and everything. See, this one, and this one. I'm gonna press my German made guy here and then measure them. 720. See, 720. So I'm gonna put 720 grams. G. Next one. 720. Come on. 720 is 720 grams. G. And the last one, 720. Isn't that amazing? That's what I call consistency, and very, very good. G. That doesn't look like a G. Grams. Very nice. Grams. And they're gonna get the label. This portion is maybe not so interesting, but it has to be done. That way we know exactly. So all three of them, 720. Oh, that's because this thing is hanging. 780 now. 720, 720, and 720. Of course, 3 times 7 is 2100, so it's over 2 kilograms. That's okay. And the last one to get labeled is this one here. So there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Just bear with me. I love doing that because that gives you the option of documenting each battery you have, and then it's good for the other guys. They don't believe you how you opened it. It's expensive batteries, right? You wanna 189 Canadian dollars. And we have already labels. So I'm just getting crazy now. But that's me. That's my middle name. Crazy. There you go. I think this is really nice. It gives you protection, gives you everything, peace of mind. Something happens, you have everything documented. This is good. Did you know that it's good for the insurance purposes too? When you accidentally lose something in your house and then you have everything documented, this is really good. Then you can prove that you had something. Because when you pay your deductible, they would like you to pay deductible, then you should be okay because you have everything covered. My wife is making dinner, or I should say supper. There you go. Isn't that great? Come on. Tell me, is it not really, really, really great? So that's it. And I'm just gonna talk. See, that thing works too. My thing works really, really good. Look at that. My zoom works very, very nice. That's about it. And I want to say thank you to the Gens Ace. They're very, very good quality. I'm not advertising for them, but actually I do. They don't pay me, but I want to say thank you because that's the first time the manufacturer came through my local hobby shop, Action Hobby, and I appreciate it. And that's why I bought this guy here too. I didn't need to, but this is the another stuff I bought, right? And I'm gonna put the chair. Sorry about the noise. Don't be alarmed. My wife is making supper, as I said. Yeah. This is very, very good, just in case I missed something. Now we're gonna go down and open it. We're gonna push this away. Everything is nice. We're gonna open this guy here to see how this works. That's the guy. Very nice, very small, and very powerful. 8 amps. 8 amps of pure power. See, I don't need to remove this, but I like it. I just love it. Look at this. That's pristine. Pristine. And then we're gonna try it. Take the number 1 battery. Oh, we need adapter. There you go. We need adapter. Plug it here. And then we're gonna plug it here. And voila. After a small spark, which is normal, 22 volts, it works. And I'm gonna quickly show you. That's exactly like the bigger brother, just this one is smaller. It has the same features. You hold it longer and you can change the inputs from about 50 watt, right? You can go up to 230. 220, 230. Backlight input is 7 volt. That also gives you an up to 24. I don't want to do it now. And backlight I put automatic already. I was playing a little bit. Volume low, touch sensitivity low. Because if I put touch sensitivity high, that kind of, it's easier, right? But, and other stuff is the same like the one. And yeah, we need another adapter, or we can use just the battery, smaller battery. Just for the demonstration purposes, we're gonna use this thing here. Now we're gonna plug it through this connection adapter, right? And we're gonna plug the smaller battery here. This is also kind of neat. It shows you minus, so you don't have to worry it goes up or down. A minus is black, minus goes down. So if you put it in plug it into different one, then it's kind of, nothing is gonna happen really. But sometimes, see, maybe it's not gonna be read properly. And current is 4.1. I always choose lower number because they suggest, so it goes up to 425 and they suggest 420, but I go 415 or even 410 just because I love my battery so much. And task charge, yeah, I can go and start the charging process. And it's charging, standard orange light. And see, why I love this DC chargers, right? They even have protection here on the rubber feet, but that's okay. I can remove it later. Current adjustment, just want to show you how it goes up to 8 amps. Normally we're not gonna charge 8 amps. This small guy here, we don't want to burn it, and I don't think even if you do, it wouldn't be, it would go to the less current. There you go. So in charging process, you can choose back. It's just, it doesn't show you much, right? It's kind of funny why it's like this. .387, 386 whites. Let's stop it for a while, because I don't think I can do this. I don't like that spark. Battery voltage. Maybe we should go and change the input voltage from 7 to 24, or 22 rather, because 22 is battery, right? Back. No, same thing. I don't know why is that like that. This is really hard. I cannot remove it so easily. That's kind of strange, because you shouldn't be, it should be behaving like that. You should be having a nice screen, not like a dark screen. Or maybe that's because I chose the light setting. Let's see, automatic high. Ooh, that's really high. No, still kind of highlighted, right? See, that's kind of funny. Start. Yeah, it's charging, but it's kind of, see, this is, I don't like this. Normally it should be white, right? It shows you all the information, but it's kind of, I don't know, highlighted. It's not white, it's different. It doesn't show you this. Oh, now it does. Internal resistance. It shows internal resistance, which is good, but it's still kind of, you see it, but it's, battery voltage. The rain is going on. LiPo. Everything's nice. Input power. Input voltage. Backlight. Put it automatic. Sensitive. Maybe it has some color scheme. Not really. Yeah. It is what it is. I think it's the way how it does, how it works. At least it's showing the correct internal resistance. What I like it about it, it's very, very small and compact thing. So see, the battery, charger, and another battery. And also what I think it's nice because of this battery or some other batteries, when you discharge, discharging rate is like a 1.5 amp, and you can charge, rather do something really good, you can charge other battery instead of discharging that thing, right? Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Battery voltage 11. Let's start with the smart battery. I wanna do with the smart battery. So I'm gonna stop this. task. Oh, wait a minute. So I'm just gonna unplug it, right? And let's start with this smart battery, because this smart battery is smart. Let's see, is it gonna be different display or it's gonna be the same display? No, same thing. Battery voltage. Maybe it needs to be updated or something, I don't know. Cell count 3. Start. Without battery. Ah, okay. That's the thing, right? So this is generation 1. It needs to be updated. It cannot charge the smart batteries because it's generation 2. This is G2 battery, right? And doesn't have balancer. So obviously it cannot read it. Battery voltage 3.3. Yes, discharge or the discharge. Yeah, that's a discharge. Okay. Yeah, actually, see, you can charge it, but then it's up to you. But it's still same thing. That's funny. Okay, it is what it is. That's it. Anyway, that's a small charger. This is really, really hard to remove. That's a small charger, which I didn't need to buy again, but because I love the chargers and everything. And there you go. I love it, and it's raining outside, and we guys are limited here what we can do and what the weather is gonna be, and we always want to improve our things, our new things, right? I still like it. I love it. Not like it. I love it. I'm just gonna figure out. Maybe I'm gonna update. I need that update cable or something. Maybe NAS, maybe not. But it's not. It's quite enough. Just don't like the spark, but I guess that's it because of the high voltage. It's the thing, right? It has to kicks in. And that's it. It's very silent. It's not very, right, how to say, it's not noisy. It's very small and it's powerful. DC charger. That's about it. Once again, thank you for Jansays, and thank you for my local hobby shop, which I support generously. I buy a lot of stuff over there, and of course they're gonna treat me like a nice customer, and probably everybody. And this charger already has the label. Accidentally it matches my thing, and the label is gonna be here. Let's finish this here right now, because I love it. See, that's perfect. See, and when you put it here, you just okay. Right here. I think it's just fine. Now really, it has to be very, very nice, like this. Sorry about my craziness and my OCD, whatever levels, call it stupidity, whatever, but I like this. I like labels. I like something what is nice, small, powerful, handy, and it works good. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Have a nice life. Oh yes, and thanks for watching.